Hello everyone, today I will show you how to fix Discord network error on PC. Many users see network error when connecting to servers or sending messages, and it usually happens due to internet, firewall, or VPN issues. First, check your internet connection. Discord needs a stable connection. Slow or unstable Wi-Fi often causes network errors. Step 1, restart Discord completely. Close it from the system tray and reopen. Temporary glitches are often fixed this way. Step 2, restart your router. This refreshes your IP and connection. Many network errors disappear after a restart. Step 3, disable VPN or proxy. VPNs may block Discord traffic. Turn it off and reconnect. Step 4, check firewall and antivirus. Some security software may block Discord ports. Allow Discord through firewall or temporarily disable antivirus. Step 5, clear Discord cache. Corrupted cache can block connections. Press Windows plus R, type %appdata%, open the Discord folder, and delete cache, code cache, and GPU cache. Step 6, switch networks. Some networks may restrict Discord traffic. Try mobile hotspot or different Wi-Fi. Step 7, update Discord. Outdated apps can have bugs causing network errors. Always use the latest version. Finally, contact Discord support if the issue persists. Provide your username, server, and steps tried. Support can investigate deeper network or account problems. So yeah, fixing Discord network errors is about checking internet, restarting Discord, restarting router, disabling VPN, adjusting firewall, clearing cache, switching networks, updating, and contacting support. Follow these steps and Discord should connect normally. Thanks for watching. Do like, subscribe, and comment below if this helped.